I'll quickly walk you through on how to create pie chart in PowerPoint presentation with the help of Copilot AI. Let's just get right into it. We're going to complete this task through two different methods, but let's start with one. First, click on Start and launch a PowerPoint application. Once the PowerPoint opens, let's start with blank presentation. So I'll click on this. So let's say I want to report my royalties or earnings from different sources. Okay, so let me give it a title here. I will call it my June 2026 earnings. Okay, so let me click here and then detail out the sources, okay, through which those money came from. You understand? So I mean my online earnings. So these are the data that I will adjust it to align it through this way. I can increase the font size as well. All right, maybe I'll give it font size of 36. Then I'll adjust this as well. All right, but just having this data like this makes it look so casual. So we are going to use the AI feature of this program to make this information look more beautiful, and at the same time let it use this information here to plot a pie chart for us. You can see here YouTube has $800, sponsorship, YouTube sponsorships $1,200, and ebook sales at $200 for the month of June 2026. So first is to click on the slide as it is here. Then you click on this Copilot tool here. All right, so it will open a new page for you to tell it what you want it to do for you. So let me describe what I want. And here is my description. It says, represent the information on the slide in a pie chart. Give the entire slide a professional look. So it's going to plot this information on a pie chart and also may change the look of this so that it will look so professional. So once you type your prompt, the next step is to click on this send button, which you can call the submit button as well. So give it a few minutes for it to do its magic and then give us what we need. Okay, in the process, Copilot is now asking us what look should your June 2026 earning slide have. All right, so it's asking me of the look based on the data here. So I have to choose one in this case, and let's just go with this first option here. But if you like, you can skip it. All right, so once you choose one option, just click on confirm button. And Copilot AI has done wonders. All right, you can see that casual data has now been converted to something that looks more professional. All right, so if you click on this slide, maybe you don't like the styling, you can click on that and then click on this chart styles. All right, so this will provide you some other styles you can apply. All right, so once you take your cursor to anyone you want to apply, just click on it and it will be applied. But I like how it presented it in this case. So the next step you're likely to take once you're okay with the data is to save it. And for you to save charts, click on File, click on Save As, then navigate to any folder of your choice where you want to save it. So I just click on Save. So the presentation file will be saved and you can use it for anything you want to use it for. If you want to create more slides, just click on New Slide and continue with the rest of the task. So let me walk you through on the second method through which you can use Copilot AI integrated inside PowerPoint to create pie chart as well. All right, so I'll click on File and then I'll click on New for us to start a new presentation. So I'll select blank presentation in this case. So in this case, I'm going to prompt this AI to create pie charts using certain data. So I'll click on this Copilot 2 icon here. Then I will describe what I want it to do for me here. And here is my description. Create content in a slide showing the following earnings made from different sources in the month of June 2026. YouTube ads, $800. YouTube sponsorships, $1,200. Ebook sales, $200. Represent the information in a pie chart. So in this case, I don't need to enter anything manually here. Just prompt it the way you want it and click on send. Just like the first method, it's now asking me how I want to create the chart. All right. So in this case, let's go with warm cream and this terracotta. All right. So just click on anywhere you want and click on confirm. And here we are, the data, the graphing, everything is so excellent. So whichever way you want to do it, you will still get a beautiful result. And look at the initial one I did even sum up all the earnings across the internet. But look at what it did for me. It gave me the total from 3 different outlets or channels. All right, so if you want to work on the pie chart further, just click on it. Once you click on it, you see all these icons here. So this is chart filter. If you want to apply any chart filter, click on this. If you want to maybe change the chart style, click on this. All right, and you are good. If this helps, consider subscribing. Here we cover a lot on information technology. So subscribe to learn something more like this. Okay? Hit the like button and leave a comment. You can check out this QR code here. Just scan it to get any of my book on information technology. See you some other time.